blessed, hallelujah, blessed, hallelujah, blessed be the name of the Lord. Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evie. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today I am bringing you something sweet, condensed milk toffee. So let's go. In my pot, I'll add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. You can choose to use any butter of your choice. Then I added my homemade condensed milk. I'll share the link at the top how I made my own condensed milk. You see how thick it is. Then I added 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. You can also add cinnamon powder, it's accepted. Then I will stir them together for it to incorporate into each other. But please, you will be doing this on a medium to low heat, yes, so our toffee doesn't burn. So with this recipe, we are going to stir and stir and stir. Yeah, so you can see I am stirring here. But whilst you are stirring, make sure you clean or you scrape the edges into the toffee mixture. Yeah, because the edges, they cook faster. So you can see our milk is thickening up. Yeah, because it's my own homemade condensed milk, it was thick already. So with this, it made my cooking or processing time very short. You see, it has thickened already, but we are still going to stir this until it thickens and then caramelizes. So at this point, I am loving the color here. So I bet you make your own condensed milk and then make this condensed milk toffee. You'll be glad you did. The texture is amazing. I just love the texture it gave me because my condensed milk was thick. You see? So after 30 to 40 minutes, our condensed milk toffee, it's ready. So I just put the fire off, allow it to cool down, and then on my board I just apply some butter or oil, and then this time we are going to do the kneading. So I'll just divide it into smaller portions, and then once it's cooled down, you begin to knead it. But make sure you do it a bit faster because whilst it's cooling down, it becomes harder. So you can just mold it into any shape you want. Trust me, it was sweet. I was cutting, I was eating it. Yes, so please, if you want to try your own condensed milk toffee at home, just use this method. With this, you control the amount of sugar added to it. Condensed milk toffee is a street toffee in Ghana. Across the streets, it's being sold everywhere, especially in our schools, and our kids love it. So friends and family, why don't you make your own condensed milk toffee for your children to take to school this time that we are back to school? So just look at it, very soft and it's so sweet. So see you in our next video whilst I enjoy my toffee. Bye bye. I love you. Thank you.